Want to know how to access Dola AI on your PC or your laptop? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up Dola AI on your web browser. Just simply open up your web browser and type in Dola. So once you have figured that, here you should be seeing Dola.com. So you can just simply select it, the first link, and you should be directed to Dola AI accordingly. So once the web page loads, here you should be able to chat with it. So you can just simply ask it anything that you like, and you can also install Dola desktop on your PC as well. So we have also created a video on how to do it, so make sure to watch it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. For more Dola videos, tune in with us. See you in the next one.